hit the bell on YouTube so that you'll be notified for future episodes. Take care. Randy Pottinger.
Na 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 na, here records. Seaview. Say them no know about sufferation. Them never feel sufferation yet. In a this sun I have to work and sweat. So no bad mind for what you see man get, yeah. Say them no know about sufferation. Them never feel sufferation yet. In a this studio me work and sweat. So no bad mind for what you see man. To us sometime me live, me no want my youth come live so. Me still give Father thanks when me get to Christo. Me don't hungry no my voice and hear it no me intro. Hungry make me go so all like when I on a pinch yo. More time me can't even afford a kiss go. Give me some chicken back himself. Wish a KFC we did go. Me say Christo, we not rich so. Only the man them we have money live so. But the people them a suffer and dead. You know long we a suffer from when you know long. Man a feed one butter and bread. It's like them want me rise my magic and go bust a man. Say them no know about sufferation. Them never feel sufferation yet. In a this sun I have to work and sweat. So no bad mind for what you see man get, yeah. Say them no know about sufferation. Them never feel sufferation yet, yeah. In a this studio me work and sweat. So no bad mind for what you see man get. No.
You like we feel it, man, you know what I mean?
As a little you would growing up in the street. Me remember when me used to work for $1 a week. I live my sister and my brother and my grandmother seat. Me never drop me thing, me just stand on my feet. Money I fi make, food I fi eat. Because on the hill I make mama live sweet. Me see my goal, me I fi go defeat Seaview. But the people them a suffer and dead. You know long we a suffer from when you know long. Man a feed pan butter and bread. It's like them want me rise my matic and go bust a one head. Them no know about sufferation. Them never feel sufferation yet. In a this sun I have to work and sweat. So no bad mind for what you see man get, yeah. Say them no know about sufferation. That a something them no know about. Them no know about zinc fence nor board house, concrete structure. That's all them know about.
Yeah man, Jamaica good life. Randy, big up yourself.
No, they are in Seaview.
Right now, White Sea Drive.
White Sea Drive.
I don't know Flankers Massacre, you know what I mean? Abroad Records, Sunball Records.
Oh.
You know the thing go.
They see him in Seaview, and to see him nice and see him in
We see him man, we see them don't know about sufferation, you know, see them?
Sure.
Yeah man.
Yeah, get them, yeah, remind them about it.
No man.
Let them know about it.
You know a chef barber shop thing, you know?
Yeah. Just give them a little introduction from the barber shop.
Try man.
Never stop trying.
One brother over Soviet yourself.
Oh, food
and Ital and Aki and fried dumpling and go over there, go buy more time. Yeah, but all the artists them go over there. Everybody. Rastaman, really Rastaman. Deal with them thing. Iconic, you know what I mean? No one in a deal, fuck it.
In Seaview.
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah. I view, you know, show them the banana. See, you have banana, see me and Seaview.
Everything I say going on. Come here, country.
See there?
Come here, Hanover where they are Westmoreland. See there? Banana.
Right pan tree, see me.
Right pan tree, see me. Boy, nobody try do nothing with a banana, you try to it, the man go to broke. Tell you, you know, so they get to road.
No
see
stealing.
The people them a grow them banana. You know, plant it and you want to rape it. Tell you that.
Yeah, no stealing around here.
No stealing around here. Alright,
Look. Yeah, see that.
Yes, look.
Yeah, see that. Simple. So, you see the deck where you have.
You know,
You have to put no dumping on it too high.
I dump him.
Yes. Go on, put dumping.
Come see where you start from, you know. And now you reach the Yasso. Because before you cut in your yard. But now, expansion. Yo, I like the achievement. Big thanks. So I see progress already.
See there.
See there?
Food done.
See there.
By next week, shop done.
Yeah, come back, come catch it next week when everything up and running.
Yeah, man.
Because I'm going to see that, I see that one and I want to see it. I would do the same way.
20 barber shop, no joke with it.
Yeah.
Hard work.
We're there in Seaview. PS2 with a Seaview. Everything go. So you say a mixed master barber?
See.
Yeah, so say they are mixed master.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Dirty now and clean when the money start making, you know, so.
True.
So watch your image now.
True. Because you know I work. But I watch the dirt. You know you have to work.
Just the general man there. Give them big man.
Yeah. Just the man there.
Original big man.
Yeah, let them know it's the builder, this fireman.
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 Original builder.
Original builder.
For years.
See.
Blessing and thanks.
Let's say, Rasta live forever.
Yeah.
See.
Tell them about the niceness of Seaview.
See. Nice girls them.
See there?
See. Girls that like fish in the water.
And the place is nice.
Am I hear
Talk
me?
about it, see a nice looking one here.
Yeah? What do you mean? Pick
Cock
up yourself, man.
See there? And the place is nice.
That's what
And the place is nice.
you Promote that up. Be a nice girl.
Yeah.
See. Anyway, I'm going to do some work now.
See there?
See.
So I go on.
I want you to go.
See the work I go on inside. So this is how the builder go on with.
So you have to come back here so again.
Yes,
When
man.
we're done and paint up, we'll get a nice photograph. Take to the place. Glass, we have flowers in time there.
Yeah.
Only for flowers in the friend.
You say you have last time there.
We have flowers, man. Only for flowers when this place is done.
So a whole heap of building a build already, man.
Yes, man. If you go on there so right now, you can't put the camera up on the house top. Just follow in there, just go out.
Oh yeah, build a 2 storage right now.
Yeah, just turn the camera up on the house top when you reach around with Dino there. You must know Dino.
Yeah.
When you reach there, so just look over the next side, you see a house and build. On the top. Just turn the camera, take all the picture you want, take all. You know, don't it still.
Yeah. A years I do this now.
20 years.
20 years.
Yeah. 20 years now, baby.
Yeah. So much house you build already in your lifetime?
Maybe about 4 whole house, but we put on per house.
Okay.
Fencing, they have the latest design of fencing.
Yeah?
The latest design of fencing, and the style of fencing you want. Yeah.
Yeah.
Another one I think with a metal fencing. With a metal fencing like factory fencing.
Yeah.
Any one of the fencing you want. Mountain fencing with style.
Yeah.
It's like up on the house now we can build it.
Yeah. See the barber there on the work, yeah?
Because you go all hard with it.
Hard working barber. Sure.
That's a phone call and being successful.
Yeah, sure.
You like we feel it, man, you know what I mean?
Sure.
Them say who feels it knows it.
Say them no know about sufferation. Them never feel sufferation yet. On the ends and off work and sweat. So no bad mind for what you see man get. Yeah. Say them no know about sufferation. Them never feel sufferation yet, yeah. On the ends we have to work and sweat. So no bad mind for what you see, man. 2 hours sometime me live, me now want my youth come live, so. Me still give Father thanks when me get to Christo. You don't hungry now my voice, you hear it now me intro. Hungry make me go so hard like when I pinch. More time me can't even afford a Kisco. Give me some chicken back in same wish at KFC we did go. Hey, watch you no man. No no man.
Strong song.
You like we feel it.
Sure.
So who feels it knows it, you know what I mean? Jamaica good life. You know what I mean? The program here come from far out, them feel it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Sufferation.
Yeah man, separation man. You have to creep before you walk, you know. You know what I mean? You can't just get up and walk, so. You know what I mean? So you have to go through the sufferation. Even the rich man, where you see him can tell you something will happen in a film life.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But I feel like him just rich so. You know what I mean? I view there man in a Seaview man, you know what I mean? Yeah. Man, the thing suit up, Sunball Records, big up on yourself. Broad Records, you know what I mean? Kino. I'm telling you, one drive man, one white sea, see it there?
CM Drive.
CM Drive.
White Sea
Drive. Come and save you, just say White Sea Drive. I want to say I view. Tell me, I tell you.
True.
You know what I mean? Nothing for eat and nowhere for sleep. As a youth growing up in the street, me remember when me used to work for $1 a week, calling my sister and my brother and my grandmother seat. Me never drop the thing, me just stand on my feet. Money I fi make, food I fi eat. The ghost on the hill and make mama live sweet. Buckler, them for knowing a man.
DJ on the side.
Yeah man, a old boy DJ in here, so.
Old school DJ.
Old school DJ.
When the girl them used to run from me.
Billa.
All of the girl them now run from me.
Alright.
Billa.
Show me there.
You
have to link this man.
This is the pastor.
So, as a youth ask him, I never try to disrespect him. And my youth them, make sure tell them the same thing too.
And that's all youth and senior have to grow.
Yes.
Yeah.
Really.
That's
Because we have
true.
to respect the senior citizens.
Yeah. Yeah, so can you introduce yourself?
Pastor Stenet Road. I live in the community here, lot 85. Seaview Garden. Any document you want to sign, as long as it's a minister of religion, I'm in a position to sign it.
Yeah.
And I just want the youth to grow up with respect for one and all, and also the senior to respect one and all. And may the Spirit of God abide with you so that you live to enjoy a prosperous and merry Christmas.
Yes. Blessings and give thanks.
Big up Jamaica Good Life, Mr. Road.
Yeah.
You big up the program named Jamaica Good Life. Big them up.
Oh, Jamaica Good Life.
Yes. You hear about it?
Jamaica Good Life. It's not the one where this and go say live good.
Live good.
Live good.
Well, good life. I still see it, man.
I wish I send out greetings to all Jamaica.
Yeah. So how long are you living in Seaview?
Oh, longer than before you were born. 84. 84.
1984.
Yeah.
85 me born. Born the year after.
Born after.
So I got me going to a fete later on, so me I go there so go look at me see something.
Okay.
You know, say I have about 2 dozen tie, but don't have a bow tie.
You need to get yourself a bow tie.
And the banquet call for a bow tie. Me can wear my tie still, but
Them say we wear up, don't put the hat right there.
Yeah.
me still I go check with Mr. Dicky wife, see if she have anything.
So big up yourself.
You continue to be good.
Yeah, man, I will definitely do.
Do all the good you can,
Yeah.
in whatsoever way you can,
Yeah.
to as much as you can, whosoever you can.
Give thanks.
Yeah.
I will definitely do. Give thanks. You know, we still. And we have the ball field as well out there, so.
Yeah.
We have Seaview football team as well in the place. In Seaview.
In Seaview going well to them, they are Super League.
Yeah, Super League.
You know what I mean? Yeah, we are going to flankers now. Mom, I want to go on, this is my place.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Zoe! Let Zoe come out. Zoe want to go in the camera. Zoe!
So God, what are this?
Seaview, phase 2.
out there. Every Friday, every Saturday, you want a cup of soup to drink.
Pan the blank.
Like you want to boil it. See that?
Boil it, right?
And the youth not only boil soup. See me, I learn this.
Laden.
He not only boil soup, him select.
I'm a selector.
I'm a selector.
Laden.
You tune them all about.
Big up yourself, Laden.
The soup at this, you know, so everything line up. You look more bubble up, you see me. I'll make up the mix it. Real general, you know what I mean? Real.
Mix it.
Mix here. The second mother this, you see me? Make sure you want her hat. Mix it, big up Jamaica, good life.
So with that mix it, with that feels too.
That one on the wisdom.
Mix up.
Yes, I mix up. Yeah. It's a mix it liquid talk shop. Wholesale shop.
Mix up, any little thing, mix up. Yeah.
Second mother this, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
So everything in here.
Everything. Mix it that.
Sell me our water as well too, please.
See it, water, everything there right here. One stop shop. One stop shop.
Generally,
See the
real shop. Shop. Yeah man, a one stop shop man.
Say, introduce yourself. So
Well, I'm mid to this, you know. And I Seaview me there.
Oh.
So just big up Jamaica, good life.
White sea drive in the
White sea drive with there now.
In a
one stop shop.
Mix a one shop. Got real life.
One real life.
Jamaica,
Good life.
No fake life.
No fake life. She artist too, you know.
Say artist too. Put the lyrics me say.
I have you, man.
Where did I get it from?
Me.
Well, the most brush off by you because in there daily the lyrics in your ears.
You see it.
So you don't need to read it when I'm there on though.
I'm not ready to go on. And Jamaica there in a real life.
Alright. I himself. Jamaica in a real life.
People like them people are dying for the thing happen, so you know what I mean? Anytime we get the opportunity with no camera, anything, no video, I just said, please have a shot us at all time.
So this is how we highlight Mitzi. I show them the lifestyle same way, the positive same way. So you know we have to highlight you. I see I have been talking about you. Mitzi.
Mitzi.
So how we see you, Mitzi?
Well, one good local community, you know. We have walleye star them.
Yeah.
And when you check it,
But
you have a ranking.
Bounty.
They Sadap, Bounty Killer. We have the best doctor.
Elephant man.
Elephant man.
Elephant man.
So you don't start to, man, Mitzi man?
It's a star in our own.
Can star, you star the show you right
Star
now.
my shop you go.
Yeah. Alright, now you are the star in the shop here right now.
Right now.
You start a movie with what you call them banana chips.
As Mitzi come, she not for part nothing. Any youth around here, but they around here just know say, them deal with that. You understand, cause mama this.
Yeah, sure.
You know what I mean? Real deal. This is not fear. Nothing about her in a fear.
Yeah.
She tell you her mind, And that's she. You know what I mean? See that the man them say we call them thick like dumpling. Thick like pumpkin. You see what I tell you?
See, I miss that pumpkin and thick.
A one-stop shop, man. Everything. You want to get a jug and you get it. You want a beer. You feel like you want to make some soup. You come on a pumpkin there, flour there. Everything
Rice
there.
there, flour there, sugar there.
Can you see the scale, make sure there so the price is right. So the weight is right.
Pampers, see there. If your baby want a Pampers mix, you have it. You know what I mean? One-stop shop.
One stop.
I see the soup right at the corner, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Just there a breadfruit there.
Let's see the water. Give me the water, please.
The room temperature on in them.
Yeah, man, I eat more, man, room temperature.
Big up Jamaica good life and bless up.
Yeah.
Real life.
Real life.
Jamaica good life. One family, you know?
One family.
One family.
One life, you know?
And everybody has said good life right now.
Good life.
Good life.
Now we want to live the good life.
Good life.
A real life.
Oh. So not
Then in Jamaica, we not forgot for him to live good life.
No, forgot fire. Right in Jamaica.
Right in Jamaica, we there live good life with good life.
oh.
Everybody will have fire to come.
And in a Seaview we there live the good life.
And we then a Seaview live good life.
In a real life.
Real life.
Mid-say, big up yourself. You have the real
Every
vibes.
time in a Jamaica real life.
Every time. Sure. Blessings for General. See it there. Go on iPod. Chef, we have an iPod. Early
Cow
start.
skin, everything in there.
Earlier now still, so just there's a cow skin in there.
Yeah man, pea soup tonight, is it?
So look at everything a bubble for sure.
Yeah man.
Definitely.
So the thing there come grab a soup, look more.
Look more, I don't know, jerkins there.
Jerk chicken, I got the right, that's okay, the pan, I got the right, that's
Keep on there, what is
See it there? See, yeah man, out there. Killer them out.
It's empty I know, but look how more sharp.
Loaded, loaded and
Eat a breadfruit there, you see me?
Yeah.
Don't know, look more roast some breadfruit.
Oh,
Fries.
everything.
Jerk chicken, everything.
Everything. So later I have with them. Mid-say.
Man.
Ball field, see people ball field there.
One-stop shop.
Under maintenance.
Come in, man.
I live the good life as I see it, you know? Yeah, man. Live it as it comes, you see me?
Sure.
Life life, so we have to live it good, you see me?
Yeah, see there.
It's right.
When our next young talent is bad,
Yeah.
real life. Only that. Jamaica,
Yeah.
good life.
Jamaica.
Big it up.
Jamaica, good life.
Jamaica good life all the time. Fully dark. I don't know there and I scheme. High view. I'm gonna use the box.
What your artist name?
That I got him on. I'm on YouTube man. DADAGRAPHY. YouTube.
Facebook,
No Facebook. Any other platform though.
Instagram.
Instagram. Spotify.
Yeah, same name you go by.
Same name that I got him. Is it? I say I wish I could have rich by a morning. They buy mommy a house and full it up of furniture. Wish the table could have switched by a morning. Money me need a fast run come like Vernica. If me ever bust a big by a morning. Money in a my palm, the amount of thing by a morning. If me ever rich by a morning. All of the doors them me close every eye view. Yeah me need money for feed mommy that's sweeter than the bees only believe on me, yo me no waffle left the streets, but it's a time for my press pump the gas like beach buggy. Money make the cutest girl go up on her knee for me. Money make me know who fake from more real to me. Money make me not kill a man the thugs do it for me. Money make anything more come easily. I wish me could have reached my morning. Wicked and evil if I hear the voice I don't know say that I get.
Yes,
The
sir.
dark side of me is a murder nation, a murder nation. Why are them just tired of them?
A Bras record.
Abroad records.
Yeah, they got
Yeah. Jamaica, good life.
Jamaica good life. Big up all the time.
Dada, so you can check him out.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Another new shop on the block. See all fall club, everything there.
Yeah.
Most of the people them now, we not take no fall with them inject. We not take no fall with them run through no process. Them fall, they are fall with natural fall. The people them eat natural, all of them are meat.
Yeah, man, them fall over it natural, man.
Yeah, see there.
They up on the shop.
Yeah, so we in Seaview. Jamaica, good life. Who is? Missy. Hello. Introduce yourself to the world.
This is Mizzy and this is a local wholesale and retail meat and grocery shop. Reasonable and everything, so you can save money when you're spending with me.
Yeah. Where are we?
Marley Bottom, Seaview Garden Phase 2.
Phase 2.
Kingston 11.
We are in Seaview. So there's so much ambitious people there. Still trying.
We try a thing.
Try a thing.
Try.
Never stop trying. Don't it? You can't stop trying. Why you stop trying?
We have to try.
Nice man,
Chicken woman.
chicken woman, she on the phone. Natural chicken, them in a Jamaica. You want a natural chicken. No, them are better than best just chicken.
Wow.
Best just chicken have been baiting in it. Yeah, them are natural zona.
Natural chicken.
So I share the chicken farm?
Yeah, share
Yes.
chicken farm.
Show me chicken farm now, show me where I go on, man.
Let them know where you can find.
Missy,
Just
Missy, take care, yeah?
Alright, thank you.
Yeah, look for the chicken farm.
Zona great chicken.
Tell them where them can find a zona.
Yes.
I'm going to open the Kuba and show you.
Yes, are we in Seaview?
Seaview gone, White Sea Drive.
Wow, what a lot of fun.
You see the four them?
The egg lane for them over there too.
Yeah man, that's the one they
Where
get, man.
Get them here.
Should I show me them? Wow.
Go forward one.
Wow. Oh yeah, the chicken.
See the baby one, them look as a thing.
Chicken mother this. And so
Them
the
them
baby.
Sonia chicken. Now best just.
So these are Sonia chickens
Yeah man, no
in
best.
Seaview.
Yeah, no Seaview.
Natural chicken, them chicken.
No Seaview.
No
they don't
process,
get
no
injection.
You get
Come,
the
tell me
injection.
something about your chicken. Where you grow them on?
I grow them on molasses, single Bible, and garlic.
Organic. Wow, they look healthy, man.
Yeah.
And first I come near a Cuba, I'm able to smell anything.
Now some clean it regular. You can't not dirty and smell bad, you know?
So how much weeks they near there now?
5 weeks.
5 weeks.
Yeah.
Up there, so the
The baby.
nursery.
Yeah.
You know, me like the idea here. Yeah, so the nursery, the right about.
Them start get big, them elevate them.
Long sleeves.
So you have a thing where you let them out and you just take them out.
Look at them out.
So imagine if you do something like a little step underneath it, you just pull it
Man, you
down.
can get a little box and you just put calories. Remember when them now go get so big, you know, you take them down before them big. And that's it.
Yeah. But I'm really impressed.
Yeah,
I
me
never
too.
know so
As
much
well.
fall in here. you know, I drive past on the side and I always see it, and I walk past when I come football.
Okay.
But I never know I saw it big and there's so much fall in here. So
Yep.
it's about 500.
No, man, 800.
800.
Mm.
That's only. So suppose so a whole lot of people get help to pick them.
Now we have a picking machine, plucking machine. So you see, you do them now. Go fast.
Yeah.
So much you sell a pound?
100, eh?
Much you sell a pound for?
190.
90 a pound.
Yeah, wholesale 180.
Okay. So when people who can come support her, I would in Seaview, so you see my chicken shop,
Why
so you know say she have a lot we can support anybody who want.
We have
Any-
next
a
coup
good
round.
life that.
I have a next coup round this that side, but I'll from the nephew.
Alright, I'm sure we. Oh, I go on. You know we have to preview them thing here. In the Jamaica, good life.
Yeah, but then I Jamaica live a good life and I see the natural bone them are growing, you know?
So how long now you had grow mommy?
About 3-4 years now.
3-4 years. Wow. So you like it?
Yeah.
I love it. You love it.
Wow. I just occupy my time, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Around here cool.
Yeah. This coming now is from a nephew.
Oh, your nephew found this.
Yeah.
And this big as well.
Yeah.
It seems so small from where me I look on it from. Well, this one closed. Like, can you go in there?
Yeah, man.
Oh, so the baby one them here.
Them never did. No man did one over this.
Oh, here we go. Wow.
Presto.
And you have the upstairs nursery as well.
See him as well.
But him now none up there now. I'll keep them over this side.
But the one person build this cause I the same idea, upstairs nursery.
Yeah, small one.
So she have a lot of chicken.
And we grow what we eat, right?
Alright. Grow what you eat. Definitely. Well, there's a lot of fall, so even right now, A whole heap, I never know so much for it. So all you don't want now is just some support to help move the chicken them, don't it?
Yeah.
Because I can say that's all to keep the business booming.
Boy.
So if any little thing you can enhance, any little thing where you want to do. So you just want to get the sales up.
Yes.
There's a lot of fall, you know, so I'm going to tell you, you definitely need the support when you can come support. So you know we're in Christmas season.
No, we're not until Christmas for the New Year's.
For the New Year?
Yeah. We're not ready for the Christmas.
So you also have layer as well?
Yeah.
Show me the layer them.
Then I get all new. You want some new.
Fresh one.
I get all.
One of the layers.
You want to get egg in them, you know?
Natural eggs, you know.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
So how old are you? Them are 3 years. So how long them can really have them until the way
3 years.
At the most?
Yeah, when they turn 3 years, them barely lay.
Yeah.
Then get slow.
Yeah.
I come like them lay out.
Okay.
And breathe out. And breathe out, man.
So soon you have to go change over.
Yeah, so I'm gonna buy some other fish.
Yeah. So these days over, yeah. So even this as well, so when I tell the truth, people them can say you're a whole heap of little ambitious people.
People in Seaview,
there's so much.
It's a cafe, this, you know.
A cafe, that.
That's a cafe. And game shop in a one.
It closed now at the minute.
No.
I think they're open, man.
I say AC.
They're open.
Oh, it's open, you can see the AC. Yeah, cause I like these things.
Yeah, cause good life. And I want chicken with the right namale.
Yeah.
So they can come and support us.
In Seaview.
In a Seaview garden.
Good life, Jamaica.
Jamaica good life.
Big up!
Big on your chicken.
So you can link up the good life team, see you
Yes,
here.
yes.
And get the Sonia chicken.
If you want your eggs, you can get eggs too. You understand? Everything.
Everything. Essence.
Alright.
Everything there.
Yay.
And this is one small internet cafe.
Game shop in a one.
Internet shop and a game shop.
And a game shop as well. And
You can see them extend another part to make it more clear.
Hello? The next trying you with this. Jamaica good life on look. And next trying you with this. See there's an internet cafe and game shop this in a one. But they are grow come see them youth here. I conduct bus. You understand? So nobody no bad mind him for reach or him want reach.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, man.
Introduce yourself, my
Sean. Well, I'm Sean, is it? Out of Seaview Garden. Yeah, I want to do some little work, you see it? Little technician work. You see me? Yeah.
You can see.
One things there.
And you put your own things them as well.
Yeah, man. They have one little monitor box, they want them little thing there, you see it?
Yes.
Yeah. I mean, game shop over the park there.
Come show me game shop now. Show me the game shop. Show me where I go on. Because I like this, you know? And the ambitious man them see me in a Seaview. So that's the internet shop. Yeah. See there. The game shop.
Game shop is.
Yeah.
No more time I have to take my son out here.
In Seaview.
Yeah.
See there. So,
it's a good look, man.
See there.
Well, big up Jamaica good life, yeah. Seaview Garden Internet Cafe, yes right there, see me? Marley, straight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Bless up.
Bless up. See the Sean's Internet Cafe. Yeah.
Trevor.
Ice cream man, it's from me a local boy till now. I buy ice cream from him. See man?
See man.
Years the money I sell ice cream.
How much years? Yeah, drive to sleep. Yeah, sell ice cream. 34 years.
Yeah.
That is my age.
Exactly.
You know, that is my age.
Yeah, see with me.
34 years.
Oh,
my
you do
age.
that.
I'm sure you say. When my just born. You understand?
And from
If you're new to the channel, you have to click on Season 1 playlist. It's a must.